Welcome to the final lesson of the Electrical Estimation course by EcoVoltz Engineering. I'm your instructor, HakeemUnLimited, and today I'm going to show you the essential tools you need, the smartest tips to apply, and the exact ways you can monetize your electrical estimation skills to create income both online and offline. This is where everything comes together. You've learned how to calculate materials, labor, and total costs. Now it's time to turn your skill into a profitable electrical business and a digital income source. Let's begin with the essential tools every estimator and electrician needs. First, you need a reliable measuring device. A laser distance meter is the fastest and most accurate tool for measurement. It helps you calculate cable lengths, conduit runs, and room sizes without stress. These tools also have affiliate programs, so you can earn commissions by recommending the same tools you use. Second, a digital multimeter is a must-have for checking voltages, continuity, and troubleshooting systems during installations. Promote your favorite multimeter model as an affiliate product to your audience and earn from every purchase. Third, a professional wire stripper and a cordless drill make your installations faster and increase efficiency. Many beginners struggle on site because of weak or cheap tools. Recommending quality tools through affiliate links not only positions you as a professional, but also brings you passive income. Fourth, estimation software or spreadsheets. Software like ElectroCalc, EasyEstim, or even well-designed Excel templates can simplify your calculations. These software platforms often come with referral or affiliate programs. Simply share your link and earn when people sign up through you. Now let's go into the key tips every professional estimator follows. First, always double-check your measurements. A mistake of just 2 meters of cable can multiply into huge losses on large projects. Second, keep a record of all previous projects. This becomes your estimation database. With time, you will know exactly how many meters of cable or how many hours of labor are needed for different room sizes, building types, or shop layouts. Third, communicate clearly with clients. Explain your materials, labor, and profit. Professionally, transparency builds trust and gets you more referrals. Fourth, never rush estimation. A rushed estimate is a risky estimate. Take your time, calculate carefully, and protect your profit. Now let's talk about monetizing your electrical estimation skills. This is where EcoVoltz Engineering focuses on creating income streams for electricians who want more than just daily labor. There are several ways to earn from this skill. First, offer paid estimation services. Many small contractors, landlords, and builders need accurate pricing but don't know how to calculate it. You can charge a small fee to estimate their projects from home. Second, sell digital products like templates, calculators, and charts. Your EcoVoltz Engineering branded estimation sheets can sell over and over again without extra work. Third, create online tutorials and publish them on your YouTube channel, HakeemUnLimited Studios. Every tutorial can include affiliate links for your recommended tools, software, or electrical kits. This builds passive income as your channel grows. Fourth, partner with local suppliers or online stores that offer electrician tools and components. You can negotiate commissions, referrals, or discounts for promoting their products. Fifth, provide consulting services for beginners who want to learn estimation. Even a 1-hour paid training session can generate additional income. Sixth, combine your electrical services with your digital brand. When clients see that you educate others and have a professional system, they trust you more and pay you faster. With estimation, you are not just a technician, you become a brand. So here, as your final action step, choose at least one monetization method from this lesson and start applying it today. Whether it's affiliate marketing, selling templates, offering paid estimation, or creating content. Make sure you connect everything to the EcoVoltz Engineering brand and your HakeemUnLimited identity. And that brings us to the end of the course. You have learned the full EcoVoltz electrical estimation system, how to calculate materials, how to estimate labor, how to sum total project costs, and how to turn your skill into money. Follow EcoVoltz Engineering on all platforms. Subscribe to HakeemUnLimited Studios for more tutorials, and keep building your skills, your brand, and your income. This is HakeemUnLimited, signing off. Now go out there and monetize your electrical knowledge.